Oh, back like I never left. What's up, Buzz? Now today we have a new product from Bose. This is the Bose Ultra Earbuds. So we're gonna break down the price and everything to get into these. I'm excited for this review, so let's get it started. So when it comes to the price for the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, you're gonna be looking at $300 right now. Like I said, they are really new. They just came out less than 2 weeks ago, so I don't know if that price is gonna drop anytime soon, but definitely I'll put the link down in the description below if you guys wanna click that, so you guys can always check and see if there's any deals going on. And we guys do click that link, it makes Amazon have to pay me for sending you over there. It comes out of Amazon's pocket, so I really do appreciate it if you use that link if you're thinking about getting these. Now it comes in two different colorways. You're gonna be looking at this black right here, a little traditional black color that we always see from Bose, and then their white color that also looks gray, another traditional Bose color that we see all the time. So that white gray, but that little tint right there, it looks really good. So these are the two different color options that you're gonna be looking at with these earbuds. And like I said, they are going for $300 and they just released. So definitely go down there, check out the current price of these whenever you're watching this video. So let's talk about the comfort of these because they are so different. As you can see, I have the two different colors in. They feel really light. I really do like how they feel. They do definitely feel different. You are going to be a little bit paranoid with these because it's a whole different style compared to your earbuds. They do feel like they're going to fall out at first for, your first couple hours of use, the first time you use them, but that fades away and then they're just so light. They're just sitting there and get used to just them just lightly being there because they are really light. The comfort did not bug me. I didn't have to readjust because I felt like they were falling out. I just readjusted once with my right hand. I remember just to reposition a little bit, but never because it's like, oh, they're about to fall out. I never had that problem. And I move around at work, looking down, moving around and walk around all the time at work, and I'm lifting stuff and all that, and I never felt like I had to readjust to keep them from falling out. I have a coworker thinking I had earrings in, so I guess they must be a little bit more stylish than regular earbuds, especially with this one because of that little silver right there. But oh yeah, and it's a simple way to put them on. You just wrap it around your ear. You put it in your ear, you hook it, and you put it around your ear like you're putting an earring in. And that's basically it. And when you got to hit the button, there is a button back here. This right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's shiny. That's the button you'll click to pause, play songs, and you'll just, reach behind your ear to do that. And I tried it on a lot of my different coworkers because they impressed me so much with the sound and everything that you're getting out of open earbuds. And I tried it on so many different ear sizes from large to small, and it wrapped around and fit on everyone's ear. So no matter your size of ear, it looks like this loop is gonna just loop around there and just sit there pretty good. All right, so when it comes to the battery life, you're gonna be looking at 7.5 hours is what's promoted on their website. And also if you use an immersive mode, if you go into the app and activate that, you'll probably get 4.5 hours of battery life in that mode because it's going to drain it a little bit more. There's 48 hours standby, so if you have them out of the case, you're sitting somewhere, you got 48 hours where they'll just sit there and just idle and you'll get 48 hours of battery life. And also there's 19.5 hours in the case. So once you have them all in your ear, you don't have to worry about it. You still got 19.5 hours in the case to recharge them, and you basically have a full day of listening to music or podcasts. We'll talk about the call quality when I talk about the sound and all that later on in the video, but right now we're going to talk about the waterproofness. It is IPX4. That means it is water resistant, but basically you're fine if it's raining or if you want to wear them at the gym or any of that. Sweat, rain, stuff like that is, anything that's like sprinkling, is fine. You're going to be good. Rain drops on them and then you just working out and sweating all over them, you're going to be fine. Little splashes of water. But I just prefer with an IPX4, just keep it away from like large bodies of water for sure. It getting poured on by like a whole bunch of water, you don't really want that. All right, so we're in the Bose Music App right now, and I'm just going to show you everything you can do with these. As you can see, right when you open it, you have your battery life, and then you have your volume right there. You can just move it up and down, whatever you want to do right there, or just do it on your phone. And then when you scroll down a little bit more, you can go to modes. And with modes, you can go into stereo, immersive mode, and the different modes you want to listen to. So that is what you have in the modes. If you go to source, you have your different things you can listen on right there. So I have my iPhone and the old iPhone that I used to have all right there. And then also you have an EQ, which is really great. You really don't see that too much with open ear earbuds. So if you want to boost anything up with these earbuds, you can just boost up the treble a little bit. You can boost up the mids and the bass. I'll say I won't even boost up the bass because they're open ear earbuds. They're not in your ear to really give you that much bass. I want to drain your battery for, it makes no sense, so I want to do it. Now you have the immersive audio, which is the thing where if you turn your head, if you see my old Bose videos, I really love that thing. You have the still mode. So when you turn your head, you can still, it feels like you're just in a studio, basically. I love this mode with their headphones and their Ultra earbuds and Ultra headphones. You have the motion, so if you're moving around, like if you're at work, this is the mode you want to use when you use the immersive audio. They have different shortcuts on here that you can customize which ones you want to do. So that is the left one. If you choose the right one, then you can choose whatever the button does on that. So you can choose whatever modes you want and customize it how you want. And then they got tips right there and stuff, but that's basically it for the Bose Music App. All right, let's get to the stuff you guys care about, the sound and all that stuff. First, we're going to talk about call quality. It sounds really good. I was able to hear everyone no problem. It sounded really crispy, really clean. When I was calling my sister B, shout out B, who helps on the channel sometimes, when I called her, and she's used to hearing a whole bunch of different earbuds, she says, you sound really good, you sound really clean. One time I was driving home and I called her with these earbuds. She thought I was using the car stereo to talk to her, but I wasn't. I was using these, and that's how clean they sounded. Now on the back end of that, it picks up a lot of extra environment, she said, as well, which I also can vouch for. I let a coworker the next day after she told me that use them, and then I called them while they were working, and our work trucks are super loud, and it sounds like banging metal all over the place, and that's what we normally talk to people when we're using that, right? I was able to hear it picked up a lot more of the environment, and B vouch as well said it picks up a lot more of the environment than other earbuds when I call her. So I don't know if it's because of the open earbud design, the mics in the back, I don't know. But neither of us had problem hearing. I never was like, what would you say? Huh? What would you say? I was still able to hear her clearly. It just picked up more of the surrounding sound. So if you're going to be using these for work, or if you're in a loud, environment all the time trying to use these, just know the person you talk to is going to hear a little bit more than normal of that surrounding sound in loud, super loud environments. But other than that, if you're not going to be in a loud environment, if you're just using these for, your workout, your morning walks, jogs, just if you're the office earbuds, anything like that, you're going to be fine. It's just like people that are in super loud work trucks, trash man, all that stuff, that's what's going to be a problem. So, but other than that, any other use case, if you're just anywhere else, you're going to be fine. Okay. The moment I was waiting for, I'm hyped about, is the sound quality sounds amazing. We don't expect less from Bose. It sounds really good, but it's not that. It's the fact that these are super loud and they're open earbuds, is a big plus for me, because it's hard to get open earbuds that give you the good volume that you want as well from a regular earbud. Now, we've tested multiple different open ear earbuds. We tested the glasses that bring the sound down your ear, the ones that hook around your ear and it brings sound down your ear. They work and they sound good. So it's like, oh yeah, for what they are, they sound good. These really change the game of how loud they are, and then they don't make your ears tired. They don't make your ears sweaty. They're really light on your ear. They don't make your ears hurt. They're open earbuds and they sound loud like you have regular earbuds in there. And that's where I really like these at. The sound quality was clean. It sounded really good. I liked everything that it was giving off. You have the EQ. If you want to boost stuff, you can do that. It does still have a little bit of bass where open earbuds always like that. It seems like they have nothing at all. You do hear a little bit of something in the lower ends with these earbuds. Now you can boost that up if you want. I prefer not to drain the battery, but still, you're still going to be able to get a little bit of something there compared to a lot of other ones I tested. There is no bass, no low end presence at all, and this at least has a little bit of something. All right, buds, I'm not even going to front. When I put these on, these were like first product in a while where I was like, yo, this is nuts. This is nuts. I was super hyped about this. Like right when I put them on, when I use open ear earbuds, I don't expect crazy loud volume. I expect I'm gonna lose like half of that because it's not in my ear. These things had some really good volume on them because it sits right there in your ear, and it just sounded so good. And I was like, yo, no way. And it's just like, you don't have it. It's just right there in your ear. You don't have to worry about your ears getting tired, sweaty, hurting from earbuds. You got the open ear earbuds right here. And that same reaction, I went to so many of my coworkers like that, right, that same morning, like after I tested, everyone that was walking in and try these, they're all like, yo, what, I want to buy these are, what is that, what brand is this? Oh, this is crazy. They all loved the way they sounded and how they felt, because, you know, a lot of us, you know, nowadays we use earbuds and they hurt our ears, or, you know, some of us don't fit, it doesn't fit in some of my ears. My mom, she hates using earbuds. She has to when, you know, she's doing her thing. She hates them as well. But this is something that, you know, she even liked. It's just so crazy. If you know someone, or you are someone that just hates using earbuds, you want something that has a nice loud sound, but it's just going to be sitting on your ear and it's going to be really light. This is something you want to get them or yourself. I'm telling you, you guys will be just as amazed as what I was. I was so excited to do this review just because of these. I was just like, people have to, you know about these, and they have to try these out. So hopefully you guys can, you know, try them out and see. I think once you test them, once you buy them, you get them and test them, and you're like, I want these. Like, I like these a lot. So definitely check out the Bose Open Earbuds. But there you have it, Buzz. That is the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. They are really amazing. I think this is hands down the best open earbuds I've ever tested, because of all the different styles they are. I kind of looked down on open earbuds because you're losing so much, you know, sound and all that. But these are wild. These are worth it. You guys got to check these out. And if you do, please leave a comment below how you liked them, or you didn't like them, whatever. It doesn't matter. Leave a comment below. I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot more people that freaking like these things for what you're getting for something that's not plugged into your ear, you know. All right, buds, I'm done. That's it. Go try these out. Let me know, you know. And don't forget, they're open earbuds, not earbuds. Two different things. That's why they're so wild and crazy. All right, it's over. That's it. If you guys want to check out some more of my videos that got their earbuds, if you want earbuds, you can check out the Bose earbuds. I'll leave it right here for you. And if you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And click the link down below if you're thinking about buying these. If I sold you on them, click the link down below. I really do appreciate it. It does help the channel out. And thank you for watching. I'll see all of you in my next one. Stay safe out there, everyone. Peace.